we're gonna try a different kind of off-road today. We are some kind of village. It's in north, East Bengaluru, the village. I've just seen on Google Maps inside this place. So let's see. It seems like a quite nice place. Oh, this is very bad roads. The suspension quality is really nice, guys. Even though it's an X Plus variant, it's not an S. We got a non-adjustable suspension in our bike, but I think for a beginner off-road enthusiast, this will do. If you are a beginner and you're looking for to try a few trial rides, I think this is the right bike to get in this budget. This is the best bike with all the electronic suits. It's really nice. But the sun is really hot today. I hope camera getting should not shut on. Oh my god, that's a lot of mud. Let's turn off. No, it's not. No, I didn't want to anymore. I need off-road with the ABS turned off. Yep, we are on ABS mode. Let's fly. Oh, we saw the forest. I feel peace, guys. Also dried and cleaned up after the crop has been done. There are a lot of bikes going here and there. We are inside the village, Sandra, I think. This is Tree. This is where we all gonna go someday. Until then, enjoy, guys. might stop here. You check a map. Bright daylight, no clouds at all. Then I'm back. There is some more off-road which begins after this. Try that. That was the plan. We should go to an off-road trail. Give the driver signal that I'm here. Here we go. Bye. Okay, that is the trail which I'm gonna go in. This is all forest kind of area. Oh my god, this is really great, you guys. Oh my god, there is two roads going. I don't know which one to take. This is all lake leftover areas. Oh, there are big stones, which might damage your tire. But be keep careful. You're coming here. Okay, now which way? See this, guys, I'm middle of nowhere. Nobody would have tried this, I guess. So that is where Hoscote Lake goes in. So here I am. That might lead to someone's land, and I don't want to do that. I'll take this route. Get going. Great. It was amazing, guys. It was amazing to ride on off-road. There are no words to express. You need to enjoy it for you to know it. See the condition of my rear rims. It's totally covered with mud. Just now I serviced, but I need to, wash it once again. Oh my god. Okay, let's get going. So that's where the Bangalore's airport license. So there we see a flight taking off. It's going up. So this is where we are. Nomad land. there comes a little jump, something like that. Oh, ho, 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 ho. I think this is the route. I see tire tracks in it. Let's go test it out. This one seems like a private land. It's all sandy. I don't want to lose the front. Oh, I'm losing. I'm getting the calls. Two big calls you get. This is crazy, man. We have reached the village. But I love riding standing. This is so much fun. Trying to wheel, but I don't know how to wheel. I wanna try this. There are fresh road being made in villages, but you know, we are in a city driving really bad way.